8 herbs that will cleanse your colon fast. Hidden within your abdomen lies a tireless champion, the colon. This remarkable organ orchestrates a symphony of functions, tirelessly breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. It stands as a barrier against harmful toxins and pathogens, safeguarding your well-being with unwavering dedication. Yet, even this mighty hero faces vulnerability. Unhealthy diet, stress, and lack of physical activity can gradually disrupt its delicate balance, leading to inflammation, constipation, and potential malfunction. Fortunately, nature offers a helping hand, a collection of potent herbs with the power to support and protect the colon. Today, we delve into 8 botanical allies that can bolster your colon health, promoting its optimal function and aiding in its tireless efforts. The colon-loving 8. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger, a pungent plant stem with a long history in traditional medicine, emerges as a soothing friend for the colon. Its anti-inflammatory and carminative properties help calm digestive upset, reduce gas, and ease abdominal discomfort. Ginger's ability to stimulate digestive juices further aids in efficient food breakdown and nutrient absorption. Studies have consistently demonstrated ginger's effectiveness in alleviating symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and indigestion. Its remarkable properties have also shown promise in reducing post-operative nausea and vomiting. Key benefits: soothes digestive upset and abdominal discomfort, reduces gas and bloating, stimulates digestive juices for efficient food breakdown and nutrient absorption, alleviates symptoms of IBS and indigestion, may reduce post-operative nausea and vomiting. Number 2. Fennel. Fennel, a licorice-flavored herb, offers a gentle yet effective solution to digestive woes. Its antispasmodic properties relax the colon muscles, alleviating constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Fennel's carminative action further aids in expelling gas and bloating, leaving you feeling lighter and more comfortable. Studies have shown fennel's efficacy in improving bowel function and reducing constipation symptoms. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties suggest potential benefits in combating harmful bacteria in the gut. Key benefits: relaxes colon muscles for smoother bowel movements, alleviates constipation, and promotes regularity. Expels gas and bloating for improved comfort. Improves bowel function and reduces constipation symptoms. May combat harmful gut bacteria. Number 3. Peppermint. Peppermint, the iconic herb with a refreshing aroma, extends its soothing touch to the colon. Its antispasmodic properties ease muscle tension and discomfort, alleviating symptoms of IBS and indigestion. Peppermint's carminative action further aids in dispelling gas and bloating. Studies have consistently validated peppermint's effectiveness in reducing abdominal pain, bloating, and other IBS-related symptoms. Its ability to relax the sphincter muscles also offers relief from heartburn and indigestion. Key benefits: eases muscle tension and discomfort in the colon, alleviates symptoms of IBS and indigestion, dispels gas and bloating for improved comfort, reduces abdominal pain, bloating, and other IBS-related symptoms, relaxes sphincter muscles for relief from heartburn and indigestion. Number 4. Slippery elm. Slippery elm, a bark with a mucilaginous texture, offers a gentle caress for irritated colon tissue. Its demulcent properties coat and soothe the digestive tract, alleviating inflammation and discomfort. Slippery elm's ability to retain water also aids in softening stool and promoting smoother bowel movements. Studies have demonstrated slippery elm's effectiveness in treating inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Its soothing properties also offer relief from constipation and diarrhea. Key benefits: soothes and protects irritated colon tissue, alleviates inflammation and discomfort, softens stool, and promotes smoother bowel movements, treats inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, provides relief from constipation and diarrhea. Number 5. Chamomile, a delicate flower with a calming aroma, extends its tranquil touch to the gut. Its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties help soothe the colon and alleviate stress-induced digestive discomfort. Chamomile's ability to promote relaxation further contributes to overall digestive well-being. Studies have shown chamomile's effectiveness in reducing anxiety and stress, which often exacerbate gut issues. Its soothing properties also offer relief from symptoms of IBS and indigestion. Key benefits: soothes the colon and alleviates digestive discomfort, reduces anxiety and stress, which can worsen gut issues, promotes relaxation for overall digestive well-being, provides relief from symptoms of IBS and indigestion. Number 6. Licorice root. The sweet herb with a long history in traditional medicine emerges as a friend to the gut microbiome. Its prebiotic properties act as food for beneficial gut bacteria, promoting their growth and diversity. This, in turn, supports gut health and reduces the risk of inflammation and harmful bacteria overgrowth. Studies have shown licorice root's effectiveness in reducing symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases and promoting gut barrier function. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties offer relief from general gut discomfort and irritation. Key benefits: nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, promoting gut health and diversity, reduces risk of inflammation and harmful bacteria overgrowth, alleviates symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases, strengthens gut barrier function, reduces general gut discomfort and irritation. Number 7. Marshmallow root. With its mucilaginous texture, acts as a gentle defender for the delicate lining of the colon. Its soothing properties coat and protect the tissues, reducing inflammation and irritation. Marshmallow root's ability to retain water also helps maintain hydration and promote smooth bowel movements. Studies have shown marshmallow root's effectiveness in treating inflammatory bowel diseases and reducing symptoms of colitis. Its demulcent properties offer relief from constipation and diarrhea, promoting overall colon comfort. Key benefits: coats and protects the colon lining from irritation and inflammation, maintains hydration and promotes smooth bowel movements, treats inflammatory bowel diseases and reduces colitis symptoms, provides relief from constipation and diarrhea. Number 8. Aloe vera. The succulent plant with a cooling gel offers a soothing touch for the colon. Its anti-inflammatory and demulcent properties help calm irritated tissues and reduce inflammation. Aloe vera's ability to stimulate mucus production further lubricates the digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements. Studies have shown aloe vera's effectiveness in relieving constipation and promoting gut healing. Its antimicrobial properties also suggest potential benefits in combating harmful bacteria in the gut. Key benefits: soothes and reduces inflammation in the colon, lubricates the digestive tract for easier bowel movements, alleviates constipation and promotes gut healing, may combat harmful gut bacteria. Remember, while these herbs offer remarkable colon-supportive properties, they are not substitutes for medical guidance. Consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating them into your health routine, especially if you have any underlying conditions or concerns. By embracing these botanical allies and nurturing your gut health, you empower your colon to continue its tireless championing of your well-being. Let's journey together towards a happier, healthier colon. Join the conversation. Have you experienced the benefits of these colon-loving herbs? Share your stories and questions. Let's cultivate a supportive community focused on optimal gut health. Subscribe for more. Don't miss out on opportunities to deepen your understanding of gut health and overall well-being. Subscribe for insightful articles, engaging videos, and inspiring stories. Together, let's unlock the full potential of our colon and thrive.